Hello, mom.
Hi Neelima.
Hello, mom. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much for
Great.
asking.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, mom. We are meeting after Diwali, right?
Yes, exactly. The last class was yes, that was on Diwali. Yeah,
Yes, yes. I told you, and now I subscribed again.
that's great. I can see 15 minute session. That's more than enough for you. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, 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 mom. Yes. So really, I'm so happy to see you. I
Me
was
too.
very
Me as
eager
well.
to when class will start, and when I will meet. Really, I was so
Thank
eager.
you so much. Yeah, even I'm really excited to meet you, and I
Oh, thank
hope
you.
you have been learning something and teaching also at the same time. How was everything? How was everything with language learning?
Everything is good. Okay, I'm practicing more and more. So because of
Okay.
that, yes, fluency is here. I can say yes, fluency is here. But sometimes also I'm making some mistakes. So that's why I thought, okay, I want to join clapping Go. So
Okay.
that's why I'm here again.
Okay, okay. So now I think you need to work
Yeah.
on the silly mistakes that you're making, maybe with grammar. Silly mistakes in the sense you already
Right.
know, but you're making it. That is why it's called silly.
Yes.
Not without knowledge. So maybe we have
Exactly.
to practice. You just need practice, not that you need knowledge. Now you know where you're making the mistake and where you need to improve. You just start
Yes.
to work on that. Yes, we'll
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that. No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Actually, yes,
Yeah.
lack of communication also because see, ma'am, at home I'm talking to my daughter, but she is too young, right? So I cannot talk with her on every topic, right? And she is not that much
Exactly.
mature to understand my opinion or all my thoughts. Because of that, also means no one is here giving company, proper company to me talk to me. So that's why yes, here is ma'am to give
Yes,
me
yes,
proper
yes. I
company.
understand. I understand. So, shall we do an activity? Today, I have got a very simple activity.
Okay,
Yes, to help with fluency. You just
okay,
choose any topic, any area
okay.
of topic. It can be anything. Just tell me a topic.
Positive thinking.
Positive thinking. Very good. Okay. Now choose
Yes.
one word from here.
Why?
Why? Okay. So, I'm going to ask you questions. Why is
Okay,
going to be connected with positive thinking? Yes.
okay, okay,
The first one
okay.
is specifically these days, that is after the pandemic. Since the pandemic, we have been seeing that people
Right,
are
right,
giving so much of importance to mental health and positive thinking, specifically positive
right.
thinking. Why do you think people are focusing on positive thinking now? Because we have been listening to positive thinking from a very early stage of our life. But now people are giving attention and
Hello.
speaking about it. Hello? I can see you. What about you?
I'm also, I can see you now.
Yeah. Now
Yes,
your
I can
range is
hear you
fine.
also.
It's
Yes,
white in color. Now it's white in color. Okay, fine. So
I'm
I was
sorry.
asking,
Okay, okay,
I was asking why
okay,
so much of importance is given to positive thinking since the pandemic. That is first part of the question. Second part
okay.
of the question is um, why people find it difficult to think positively,
So- Okay,
encourage people positively. Because suppose, for example, if a person is doing something good, even in India we
right,
can see that people don't
right.
think every time in a positive way. So why is it so difficult? The first part is why people are giving so much of importance. Second part is why it is difficult for human beings, especially in our society, to think positively and appreciate the positive side of a person.
Exactly, exactly. Yes.
Yes.
First of all, I would like to say yes about that. Why we should stay positive, right? Yes,
Yeah.
because yes, ma'am. After the pandemic, in pandemic we saw lots of things. Lots of things means lots of experience nearby us. Okay, in our neighborhood, and in our family, and in our friends also. So we saw what we saw. Because of COVID, people were totally afraid. Okay, who was not positive, okay, who was not COVID positive, that person also was afraid because of COVID, and he was thinking just like this, he will get positive, he will get positive. So because of that mindset, people were not able to think positive.
Mm-hmm.
at that time. And then after pandemic also, people are totally scared because of this first wave, and they were thinking about second wave. Means they take means come they come out from first wave, but they were not that much mentally satisfied, so they are come out from the first wave, and they were thinking about second wave. So me moms, in real life also people are thinking means so many times people are thinking just like this. Say whatever we have, we are not satisfied with this, okay, but we want more, we want more. Means
Mm-hmm.
see who saved from first wave, so all are what lucky people, just like you and me, we both are lucky. And but we are, and now we have life, right? We have time to enjoy, but now we are thinking about future, okay, what will happen if second wave will come. So because of that, because of dilemma, and because of our what negative thoughts,
Anxiety.
what will happen, we
Yes,
will live or not.
anxious also. Yes.
Anxious, yes, we are very anxious. Because of that, we are not able to stay positive. So it is the reason,
Mm-hmm.
it is the reason people are not positive after the
Okay.
pandemic, yes, I can say. And about that, why should they stay no how should they stay positive, right?
Yeah. Why is
Yes,
it difficult? You answered that. And the first part of I think that you answered that. Why it's
yes,
difficult for people to appreciate the positive side of people. I think that is what you have to answer now. Why it is so difficult for people, especially in our society, to appreciate the positive side of a person when it comes to deeds, everything.
right, right, exactly. Means who is doing positive things, other people are not appreciating that person, right?
Exactly.
Exactly,
Exactly.
they want to pull out their legs, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
but
Most of
in
the time.
humans, yes, but in society, ma'am, but if someone wants to grow up, if you or we, anyone wants to grow up, so for that they need help of each other, right? Help of
Yes.
another person, each other. So
Mm.
if I want to go up, so someone, I need help from someone, right? So I will
Mhm.
expect that person will help me. If that person will help me, so automatically if I will grow up, so that person will also come back to me. If I will just like stairs, ma'am, okay, stairs,
Yes.
if there is a queue, okay, if there is a queue and people are going upstairs one by one, so if first person will take food on for another stair, so definitely after what queue will come back that person, right? So just like
Okay.
that
Okay.
stair and just like queue, okay, if first person will go and if people will push what not push, pull, if
Yes.
another whatever people are in a queue, if they will pull, okay, they will pull to that first person, so definitely no one will go up, okay. But if they
Yes.
will motivate that person, first person, so
Mm.
definitely everyone
Mm.
will go up and everyone will achieve
Okay.
their success. In society
Okay.
also, we have to help each other, right? But thinking is totally negative. In society, I see lots of times, if someone see another person's photo, they are going somewhere, or they have a new car, they have new bungalow, and nowadays obviously everyone is uploading all photos on social media, so people are
Right.
getting stressed, okay, they are comparing another person's life with their life, okay, but it is not good
Exactly.
thing. Actually compare,
Yeah.
because of comparison they are not happy, and because of comparison they are pulling to other person, they are not pushing them to go up. So
Exactly.
because of that,
Okay.
yes, this is my opinion, ma'am. Because of that, people are not helping to each other, right? They are saying another person's status or other person's photographs. They are bringing what purchasing new things, or they are living lavish life. So another person also wants that lavish life. But we should not jealous that person. We should not jealous there, right? So we should,
Yeah.
if we have same desire, and if we have same goal, so we should follow in our
Yeah.
way, right? We should means we should also do hard work like them.
Correct. Okay. That was a very good answer. So I'll just give you quick feedback because it's only
Yes,
15
ma'am,
minutes
please.
session. So first thing
Yes,
is,
yes, yes,
Nilima,
please.
I feel you have done justice to your answer, and I'll just
Right.
correct you in a few places. Specific
Okay.
correction. The first one is in pandemic we saw. It's actually during the pandemic.
During the pandemic,
During the
right, right.
pandemic we
During
noticed
the
or we
pandemic,
saw.
right,
Then
right.
repeatedly you were telling they are come out. When they
Okay.
came out or when they crossed the stage of life.
They close the
Not
stage.
they
Okay.
are come out, when they came out. It's fine
When
to
they
put it
came
in
out.
simple sentence. Yes.
Okay.
Then then another thing is when a person pulled to that person. When a
Right.
person
When a
pulls
person
that
pull to
person
that
down,
person.
yeah, not pull
Right.
to that person. Pull to is, it is not, it is wrong grammar. So when a
Okay.
person pulls down the person,
Down the person. Right. Right.
yeah,
Correct.
pulls down. When a person pulls down the person, it is not possible for this person to grow or climb up
Grow.
the ladder.
Right. Right. Right.
So
Right.
there is a force which is acting counter, which is pulling you down. You're trying
Yes.
to come up, but there's a counter force pulling you down. So how will you come up?
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
what
Right.
should be
Right.
done is you have to use double force,
Okay.
where you act
Yes. Yes.
against that force and you should go up. Use
Right.
double
Right. Right.
force to go up. It's like it's more of effort and energy. That is why people get stressed. Okay.
Right.
Then
Right. Right.
one good thing is you used pull and push together in a sentence, which was lovely. You said when a person wants to go up, people pull them down. So what we should do is, what others should do is, you should push the person to get
Yes.
motivated instead of pulling them
Right.
down.
Right.
That was a beautiful sentence. You should go back to the video and listen to
Right.
that, because you framed it
Yes. Yes.
better
Yes.
than me. So that was good.
Okay.
Then
Okay, ma'am.
we should not jealous of that person. We should not be jealous of that person.
We
We
should
should
not
not
be jealous. Right.
be
Right.
jealous. Yeah. So I can see that you are making very good thoughts. Your thoughts are good. Your sentences are fine, but there's a lot of repetition. The first thing is you're repeating a lot of words, which stops you from
Okay.
completing the thought sometimes. When you're very confident with some sentences, that is, some
Okay.
sentences you've got already practiced, there you're not making any mistake, no tense
Yes. Yes.
mistake, no grammatical errors.
Right.
But sometimes when you're trying to convey a thought, for
Right.
example, the ladder and the stairs, it was a perfect example. You were not able to complete the thought because
Right.
you repeated a lot of words. At the same time, some grammatical errors were there, and you were putting some extra words also in between. So
Right.
in between I knew that you also knew about the mistake, but you just kept
Yes.
at it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now how to correct all these problems is only through practice.
Yes. Yes.
And as I always tell you, you need to reduce the pace of speaking, and you
Right.
are now
Right. Yes.
confident. I don't see that fear in you now. Now you are like fine, you are comfortable, you're
Yes. Yes.
coming out with a lot of points, not like before. That too, very
Yes.
good points. Now coming with point is good. Now you need to transfer it into the English language or any good language in a
Right. Right.
complete
Right.
sentence. That is the challenge now for you, to
Right.
complete the thought in complete
Right,
sentences.
ma'am.
Even if you repeat word, it's fine, because even good speakers repeat words, but you just reduce on it and try to
Yes.
complete the thought. That is what you should do. So now
And
this is
about speed, ma'am. How was my speed?
speed is fine. Like if you
How was my
reduce it a
speed?
bit more,
Because
you can reduce the speed so that
okay.
you complete the sentences for practice sake. Just for practice
Definitely, ma'am.
sake. Once you get the
Yes.
practice, it's okay. You
Yes.
can
Yes.
keep the speed. The speed is fine.
Exactly.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Now you can try
Definitely.
this extended activity after the session.
Yes,
What you
ma'am. I
can
will
do is,
try.
suppose you're going to speak about a topic like women in India. Suppose that is a
Okay.
topic. You can take one word from here, any
Right.
WH question. For example, what? Okay. Uh, for example, what? What are some of the
What?
ways?
Yes. What?
Yeah. What are some of the ways in which women can encourage each other so that they come up? So like that. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you, but your video was not working. Now it's everything
Okay.
is fine. Yes, ma'am.
That's
You
fine.
can talk.
That's fine. So you can
Please continue,
connect a
ma'am.
WH question with the
Oh,
topic of interest.
yes.
Yes. So this is an extended. I think your network is
Yes,
losing
ma'am.
out. Yeah, I can see
Definitely.
a red
Ma'am,
color
your
marker.
voice is getting stuck.
No, I think your network is very poor. I can see yellow, red. It's toggling between yellow and red. Now it's fine. Now it's white in color.
Yes, yes, yes. It's fine. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So I was just asking you to
What were you
connect.
saying, ma'am?
Yeah, connect one WH question with your area of interest and extend the speaking part.
Okay. Yes, definitely, ma'am. Definitely.
Okay,
Yes,
like
I
how
will
we
try.
tried now. When you go back to the recorded part, you will get a clarity, because I can see my screen working. Maybe somewhere it just got lagged.
Yes, yes,
All
yes.
right.
Some
Yeah,
network issue due to some network issue. I think
that's
so,
okay.
ma'am.
That's
Yes.
fine. That's absolutely okay. So I'm just
Yes.
repeating it again. Choose one topic of interest. Take
Yes.
any WH question. You should do it
Yes.
spontaneously. Don't prepare beforehand.
No, no.
Okay?
Yes, definitely,
And
ma'am.
then extend it. That's all. Like, for example,
Right,
if it
right.
is what are some of the ways in which women can support each other? If the topic is women of India, okay?
Women
Suppose the
of
topic
India.
is sports.
Exactly.
Suppose it is
Yes.
sports, and you are picking up
Okay.
why. Why? So I'm going to make a question.
Why?
Why only cricket is
Yes, why?
given importance in India? Why not the other sports? What can be done for that?
Right.
Like that, you can make some strange
Yes, yes.
questions and try answering it yourself.
Right, right. Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely, ma'am. I will
Yes,
try.
sure,
Definitely after this
sure.
class, I will try. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. And that is going to help you with the practice, because only now only practice is going to make you better and then perfect.
Right, right, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
I
Yes,
think
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I know because last from last so many days, I didn't talk continuously,
yes,
and
yes, I can
now
see that.
here you are
Yeah.
it means asking questions. So it is different thing, right, ma'am? To talk daily communication is different thing, and if you are talking on particular topic, so it is a different thing, right?
Yes,
And whenever you are talking before camera and before some experts, so that time also
yes.
it is difficult to talk, and yes,
Okay.
but definitely, ma'am, I will
Yeah.
improve
Yeah.
everything.
So, Nilima, what you should
Yes.
remember is forget the experts and talking in front of the camera. You have to give